Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the Dado Block shape that's in our isometric drawing objects. Again, these shapes are all 6 inches long by 2 inches tall by 3 inches wide. I'm going to be starting at this lower left corner. That will be considered my starting point. So my starting point should be one vertical line over and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 intersections down. So that's going to be my starting point right there. So I noticed from here that this line that goes up is going to be 2 inches tall. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to go up 1, 2 intersections. Place my pencil tip down, get my straight edge down as well, and draw my line. Next thing is this line here extends all the way across the front view 6 inches. So I'm going to count in this direction 6 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pencil tip down, straight edge in place, draw your line. Next thing is I'm going to come up 2 inches from this corner. So 2 intersections up, pencil tip down, draw your line. As you can see here, this is going to come over 1 to the left, 1 down, 1 to the left, and 1 up. So they're all 1 inch. This line, this one, and lastly this one. All 1 inch long. So I'm going to put my pencil tip down, straight edge in place. 1 down, 1 to the left, and 1 up. And that brings me to this point right here, which I'm going to basically connect to this point up here. Straight edge, pencil, line. Okay, I basically have the front face of this object on my paper now. I'm now going to extend back at 3 inches from each one of these points. 1, 2, 3. Pencil tip, straight edge, line. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, also in this bottom corner, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now this line here is 2 inches tall, which basically means that these two endpoints are going to connect. And now it's basically connect the dots. I'm going to go from here to here, completing this line here, and then I'm going to complete this line here as well. I can do that in the same stroke because they're on the same plane, here and also here. Okay, there's just a couple of little lines left to make, this being one of them here, and this little one here that seems to be forgotten all the time has to be put in place. So this is going to be 1 down, it disappears into that line there, and lastly this little one that goes here, and there you have the Dado block.